came right to my house, and I also have a game of it. So let's get started. Whoa! I snapped my fingers at it. It was a. You see, she has a cupcake in the back. I love that. Ooh,
What does this say?
It says.
This says, "Welcome to Forest. The great outdoors awaits. Who knows? You may just meet some new woodland friends along the way." All right, let's see what kind of friends are in here.
Okay. Okay, so we have some blind bags that I can open. Here's Nutman.
I think his name is Nutmeg.
Nutmeg. Yeah, we have Nutmeg here. See, it's in here. Oh, look, there's a message.
Here, let me see what it says. It says, "My trusty explorer."
Now let's see what's inside. Hey, look, guys.
Hold on. Let's see.
I think it's a letter.
All right. Let's open up the envelope.
See what's inside. Oh, hey, look. There's a leaf. Interesting. Oh, look, guys. We have all kinds of stickers. Wait, what are these? Ooh,
Ooh, some pop-out characters.
some pop out. Where can this go?
I don't, here, pop them out first, then we gotta put them together. Yeah, they go like that.
Here's
Okay.
Nutman.
Nutmeg.
Nutmeg. Oh, let's keep opening.
Ooh, you got a magnifying glass in here too.
Ooh. What? What's inside here? Ooh, some empty bit. Ah, we knocked over him. Oh, let's see. This is from him. This is from.
It says, "From Nutmeg." You're right. My
Nutmeg.
favorite forest chef.
Let's
What
see
does this chef do?
cook. I know what this is all from.
Let me see.
What is this?
Ooh, it's some like sand
Oh,
to play with. We'll have to read the directions.
oh,
Ooh, I see some worms.
it.
Wonder if they are part of the sand. Let's see what this one says. This packet here is forest food. Worm spaghetti, acorn pizza, and chocolate twig cookies.
Hey
Wow.
guys, I think I see something
All
here.
right, and then here's the last envelope that came in the box.
It's from.
This one's from,
It says Dear Jack.
this one is from Jack to my friend, the nature lover. Okay.
Yeah, let's open it. Ooh, hey, look, guys, you can see what's inside. Cool.
All right, let's see.
Ooh, thank you, Jack. There's something else in here. Oh, where did these?
So this packet, let's see, is for forest friends. So you make different characters
Ooh,
and you play with them.
here's activity 1. Here's
So-
activity 2. Here's activity 3.
All the stuff you get in activity 1.
It's so cool.
And then activity 2.
Eh,
Hold on.
Vicky.
Are you gonna make a worm spaghetti, Lila?
Yuck.
Oh.
This little
Activity
squirrel.
2. You get all the ingredients.
Blech.
to make forest food.
Yeah, and we also have this.
It's kinetic sand.
Yep.
And then envelope 3.
Free, the key and the guy.
Forest friends.
Forest friends. Now let's get started. So in my box, I have free activities with lots of characters and lots of friends. So the first activity is forest seek and find. And the second activity is making forest food. But secondly, this. I'm not going to make that worm spaghetti. It is yuck. I'm not going to make it for my parents either. So the third activity has forest friends. And I can even use my box as a play set. Right here, down with nutmeg.
Yeah.
And on the side, you can see how to build it. So let's get started on doing that.
Oh yeah, here, the directions are right on the side.
That is so cool. Now let's get started doing
I
this.
can't believe you saw that, Lila. I didn't even see that.
So my mommy folded the box and now it's a playset. Thanks for watching my SAGO Mini unboxing video. Subscribe to my channel so you can watch me building all these activities. Love you. Bye.